In this video, you will learn how to delete files that are older than 7 days on a system running Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard. Next, navigate to the folder where the files are stored. Use the cd command. For example, if your files are in the Downloads folder, type cd-downloads. Now, you will use the find command to search for files older than 7 days and remove them. Type this command, find. Type F mtime +7 exec rm. Thumb. Let me explain what this command does. Find is the command used to search for files, means the current folder. Type F tells the command to look for files only, not folders. mtime +7 finds files that were last modified more than 7 days ago. Exec rm deletes each file that matches the search. Be careful. This command will delete the files permanently. That's it. You've now learned how to remove files older than 7 days using the terminal in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.